Well, here's your lefty twoofa. Middle of the night, three sheets to the wind. Talking all crazy about cocks. Almost saying, "Oh, this is coxy." See, she's in love and calling me little guy, but get to call her big woman. I guess. See, because I go back to the first fault, why this all happened. Saying she's gonna call the feds on the Mr. Cox, right? But it all really started of just me just putting some timestamps in her live streams about me talking shit again. Well, in the beginning, this is happening again and again and again. I think it's just I don't know. I don't know if it's just the coxy, right? That women lose their shit over. But here we go again. Just like in the beginning of the days when tacos couldn't keep my name out of her mouth for some reason. It just seems like really does seem like some shadow box shit. But big woman from Oklahoma is gonna sit here and say that this Adolf account that has appeared for the very first time in my chat, we're family. Let's listen.
Aaron restreaming a James D stream, and he says, "This is just the chat. These were the only people in chat, I think." And they're like, "You can see here, um, Uncle Adolf, because this. These are a lot of Aaron's friends. You'll see a lot of Adolf, 88.
Uh, you know what just kind of hit me? I know that Tacos likes to make sock accounts. Boy, I wonder if Adolf is her, so she can do a video. That's how the lefty big buffaloes work.
all these Nazi stuff." But Aaron told me a while back that just to ignore it because he's
Uh, no, I didn't. I don't know where this is coming from, but once again, sounds like there's a water buffalo in the swamp trying to give birth.
just pretending. He's LARPing. He's doing a Nazi LARP to catch other Nazis
Mm,
or something other than something like that. It was like a nano flea type thing. It was like a Mikey's baby boy.
Mikey's baby boy, stuff like that. Yeah, you know what we should just keep to? Let's just keep to the first fault and her accusing Mr. Cox of stolen valor. And then, see, it's really weird. I think these lefties, the water buffaloes, right, in the swamp, they like to create the scenario to then come in and give their own interpretation of it. And I think that's what's going on here. She's done stuff like this before, so I'm thinking Adolf is actually her. And she's the one again stalking, right? Saying she's going to call the feds on Mr. Cox, an extremist in the hot tub, right? Making threats and all this stuff. Mm-hmm. Let's keep going.
Type thing. I don't know. It's a family thing.
Family.
Maybe
Yep.
it's like some kind of they have a family.
Right.
And anyway, so here you can see where Aaron
I'm seeing the drool and the swamp grass drool green, picturing it in my head of this family of water buffalo in the swamp. And yeah, sitting there kind of cawing at each other and chewing their cud. And that's all it is a three sheets to the wind fest. That's what the lefty weirdos do. Big woman.
Aaron's like, um, LOL, Uncle Adolf. And Uncle Adolf says, this James being raised up and being the hub of this pocket is suspect as fuck. Simon only has problems when he takes, I'm not even going to read that because we don't know if that's what's going on.
I don't know, but that account comes in and leaves a few comments. Right, there's a few comments there. and I leave 2 comments back, and all of a sudden we're family, right? Just because I go, LOL, Uncle Adolf. And then later, first time I've ever seen that account in my chat room, but we're family. Wow. That is just such a cute family of water buffaloes in the swamp, right? Yeah. Both drinking the water and pooping in it at the same time. Everybody have a good day. Thanks for joining in and checking this out.